Hello everyone, this video is going to be targeting the individuals who unfortunately may have to rebuild in Southern California after the recent fires. First of all, our heart goes out to all of you who lost your home or a portion of your home in the fire, and now you've got to rebuild everything, your life, and now how do you start? How do you finance this? Well, the first thing is that I hope that most of you had homeowners insurance with coverage that will provide you with at least some, if not all, of the money to help rebuild your home. If that's not the case, or if it's falling short in being able to provide you with enough funds to rebuild the way you need to, then that's where we want to have a conversation. So one of the programs that I would recommend, depending on the extent of your damage, would be the FHA 203K rehab loan, which we could help you with. And it would enable you to refinance the home and I'd say pull the money out that you need to do the rebuild. But you're not going to get all of the money up front. You'll be given the money as the repairs are made along the way, and then you'll be able to pay your contractor. It's not the fastest process, but it is a good one that will enable you to get the home rebuilt using that in combination with your insurance money to help get this done. If you don't have insurance money to help with the rebuild, still give us a call and we'll see what we can do for you. If it's a total loss, the home is basically to the ground and you need to build a brand new home, then we're looking at a construction loan, which we'd like to talk to you about as well. So if you're facing this challenge and you want to talk to us about it and see how you could finance the rehabilitation of your home that was damaged in the fires in Southern California, then give us a call. We will help you. We're going to leave the phone number and also the link to our website down below in the first pinned comment and also the description, and you can reach us there. We do want to help you, and hopefully if this video helped you at all, hit that like button for us, and we look forward to speaking with you. Thanks everyone, and hope you have a great day.